Good morning to all of you. This is Sima ma'am and art integrated project introduced by CBSE. It is very important and compulsory for all of you. Here I am going to show you one sample done by class 12 student. It will be almost the same. Today I prepared the group. Every group member will be the 5 group member. You have to do the project in school in social science class, and I think within 3 days you will complete, because there is nothing difficult I have given. Okay, you just purchase one this black chart paper. The total expenditure will be divided by by 5 members of group. Members, you can make your group by your own. Today I already introduced. So you all that you need have to purchase one black chart paper as a whole. Okay, one black chart paper. Then you make it fold. You fold it. So it will be 4 fold. And here you have to write art integrated project, subject social science. Then your group names. Means the 5 name will be there here, and class 10. Okay, now class 10, only class 10 you need to write section A or B. So now you see how. So art integrated project, Assam has been integrated with the Rajasthan. So I have taken the Rajasthan's culture, art and heritages. Okay, then here you see in this project it is a collage. You have to prepare one collage. Now you see here the map of Rajasthan. You need to tear it, because by that only it will look like that it is a collage. So here it is map. Below that about Rajasthan, the first part. Second part, you can prepare collage, you can prepare camel or whatever you can. So all the culture related photo. Okay, the state is Rajasthan. So all the Rajasthani culture related photo you can paste. It's a form of collage. Then go to the third part. Here all the pictures, design and all is your own. Okay, so here it is heritage, all those Hawa Mahal and all that you need to collect the pictures only, so it will be very easy. Now about here I have given, it is class 12, so it is related to pol science, but your is social science. So you write about the tourism in Rajasthan. Here it is panchayat in Rajasthan. No, you have to write tourism in Rajasthan. So here the writing part. So by tourism it will be related to globalization chapter, and by Rajasthan map it will be related to geography. Okay, now your project is complete. Now I have showed one sample. So it is very easy, by 3 days you can complete it, but it is very important and compulsory. Without that you may not get the admit card. Okay, that is the thing I heard. So we will go through this. By 3 days it will be completed. Just you need to collect the chart paper. You see here I will show you some sample paper, sample project also. Here also you see, you can use the bead, you can make it design, anything. Okay, but writing part I said whatever you need to write. Okay, this is finished. Then here I will show one more. See how nicely she designed it. And the top of your project you have to write art integrated project. Then in subject you write, social science. Then name you write the 5 group members name. Okay, class 10 or A or B. Okay, now you see how she made it. So she here the Rajasthan map. Okay, then art and culture, Rajasthan, lots of photos she pasted. You can use bead, you make it as much as attractive, because Rajasthan is a state of color. See here she said pull, so if you pull, so you get lot of picture. So here also she made one envelope types. Here also Hawa Mahal. So and in between she wrote about the different paragraph, small about the Rajasthans. Okay, here it is Udaipur. So if you open, so you will see Udaipur. Okay, so here also about Udaipur he wrote. Here it is Kota. Kota, to all of you know, it is a very famous educational institute. But why? What is Kota? What about Kota? She wrote all. Here Bikaner. So if you pull this, the Bikaner will come out. Okay, so like that you make collage. Here Panchayat, you no need to write. Here you have to write the what I said is about the tourism in Rajasthan. Now culture, see how nicely she made culture about. So you can prepare suppose a camel in between the collage, all the heritages like that. These are all sample of class 12. I have given first to class 12 so that I can show you the model. So here also one project, see how collage means you have to tear, na? So collage means see the different districts of Rajasthan. Here she wrote heritages. Here she wrote art and culture. You can put paste photograph also. Writing part you make it less, no problem. Here see the map how she made it and inside some of the districts. Okay, so you make it as much as attractive. For that I have told to make it is Rajasthan, so use it, and expenditure will be divided by 5 members of the group. So you prepare it, it is very important, and remember one thing, it is compulsory for all, and if anything happens related to admit card, I will not be responsible. Okay.